Well, it's hipping and happening here on Lisa Golem Art Studio tonight. So I thought I would do something different this week, and I would post a video of my studio, my setup, my little bit talk through my process. It's been a busy studio week and there's been lots happening. I have not been videoing my process this week because I'm doing a specific course and I didn't want the hang up of having everything to turn out perfect all the time because I'm shooting. I wanted to just let loose and play. So I wanted to kind of just show you a little catch-up video of me doing that, of what I've come up with in my studio, talk you through a few pieces. There's a lot. There's like 5 different pieces here on display in my studio. And so I thought I would just share that part of my art life with you. It's an arty life, gotta say. Arty, not farty. I'm not gonna put that in the video. Well, maybe I will. I don't know. You never know what I'm gonna put in my videos. I'm just saying. All right, guys, so I'm gonna flip it around. So here is one that I haven't started on again, but it's sitting here because it's my next project that I want to work on. I did it actually in the summertime and I like it, but don't love it. I'm not sure why, so I kind of have to go back in and just play a little bit, but I do like parts of it. I really love that area. It's so gorgeous. I think what I maybe need to do is make that more of a focus and calm down the rest, especially all this contrast down here. I think it distracts from the beautiful areas up here. So I just have some work to do on that one. Cool. All right, going from the one that I'm not quite working on to the one that I think I'm finished working on. This is called Lift Your Head. This is coming from a place of, you know, if I'm honest and vulnerable with you guys, this is coming from a place of 2021 and being very isolated and feeling kind of alone and a little bit down at times. Like, I'm a very up person. You probably know that about me. Naturally, I'm a very positive, peppy person. Well, that's a lot of P words in one sentence. Okay, but I've been feeling the crunch. Okay, so this is me sitting under the tree looking down at the ground. So sad. But when you pull back, the tree is gorgeous and just whimsical, and there's so much light and beauty coming from behind this weeping willow tree. If I would only lift my head to see all of this gorgeous light around me. And I'm committed in 2022 to do that. So this is kind of like a therapy painting for me. Art therapy, ladies and gentlemen, it's a thing, isn't she? But she's really cool. I really enjoyed painting this painting. I really fought with it. You will see a few videos of this one, but not anywhere near the end result. Oops, sorry. Because I wasn't happy with the end result on the video, and I basically painted without video. Okay. Let's go to painting number 2. You see I have a TV in my studio. I can wave. Hello. You can see me in the reflection. Yeah, I like having a TV here because I can, when I'm taking a workshop like I am this week, I can watch the sessions in my studio. This is another piece I've been working on this week. It was a pour originally. So you can see sort of some of the pour still peeking through, which is really cool. But I never liked, it was too busy and too much happening. So I think I've calmed it down. I don't know if it's done. I think it might be not enough shades of color. I might need to gray down some of that purple, but I think it's getting closer. So that's the second thing I've been working on this week. Cool, yay me. This is something I painted just last night. It's big, so it's hard to get in the whole shot. There we go. You can kind of see the whole painting. It's very large, but I love, love, love some of the details that have happened with my technique of dripping and then blotting it back off after 5 minutes or so. You've probably seen me do that in other videos. I just love that technique. So I don't know quite yet what this is going to be. It might end up being a landscape. It might not. I'm not sure. This piece I worked on yesterday or the day before yesterday. And I was experimenting with spray paint and splatters, as you can see. And that's not done, but I had a great time just playing and doing this. This is the kind of thing where people online look at it and say, oh, what is it? That's okay. It doesn't have to be anything, but there's some interesting things, like there's some stencils where I got some words happening there, and just some interesting patterns that you have to really look to see. That's what creates mystery, and I like mystery in my abstract pieces. A brief little walk through my studio to kind of see the space that I create in. Looking really cool. Yay, gonna get dizzy. I love the way, I've just got a new gimbal, and I do love the way it moves with me, and it's just so cool. Anyway, I'm sorry, I'm playing with these things, making you dizzy. So there you have it. Fun times in Lisa's studio when she's not videotaping everything she does. So I hope you have a great week, and I will see you with a tutorial, I promise, next week. So until then, peace and love to you. Stay sane, stay safe. Love ya. Bye.